Okay students, I want you to take your book and turn to page number 23, okay? So in page number 23, a fill in the blanks is given and the options are given at the bottom of the page, okay? So I've written all these options here, okay? So let us solve that summary, okay? So what is this actually? This is the summary of the poem, okay? Explanation of the poem, and let us solve that, okay? So the poet Okara in this narrative monologue painfully condemns dash displayed by the adults, okay? So in the poem la, what do the adults display? அவங்க இந்த போயத்தில் அந்த அடல்ட்ஸ்லாம் எப்படி இருக்காங்கன்னு சொல்கிறாரு. the modern adults எப்படி இருக்காங்கன்னா, they show falsity, right? They show falsity. They do not smile genuinely. They just smile with their teeth. They do not shake with their hearts. They just shake only with their hands, okay? While they shake hands, they also think of distracting the person. அவனை எப்படிடா குளிக்கல தள்ளலாம்னு நினைக்கிறாரு. So the adults, what do they display? They display falsity, okay? Falsity na not true, okay? அவங்களோட சிரிப்பும் உண்மையான சிரிப்பு இல்லை, ஹேண்ட் ஷேக்கும் உண்மையானது இல்லை, okay? Falsity displays by the adults, both in their words and actions, okay? Here a father laments to his son about the negative changes that creep into the attitude and behavior of humans when they grow into dash. When they are child, they are good, but only when they turn to adults, their character changes, right? So when they grow into adults, okay? So this is the second one, okay? So second one, adults is the second one, okay? And then he says that people used to be dash when they laugh and the honesty would be reflected in their eyes. Used to வந்தாலே அது ஒரு காலத்துல நடந்ததுன்னு அர்த்தம். But during the past times, people used to be not like this cheap hypocrites, but they were very genuine, okay? So they were genuine in the past times, okay, in the earlier periods, okay? So this is the third one, okay? And then, but people of modern times laugh dash. எப்படி சிரிக்கிறாங்க? சும்மா எக்ஸாஜரேட் பண்ணி சிரிக்கிறாங்க. சிரிக்கணுன்ற கட்டாயத்தின் பேரில் சிரிக்கிறாங்க. வாங்க வணக்கம் நல்லா இருக்கீங்களான்னு சிரிக்கிறாங்க. மனசுக்குள்ளே பயங்கர பொறாமை இருக்குது அவங்களுக்கு. ஸோ they laugh superficially, okay? So what do? They laugh superficially, okay? And then their handshakes used to be warm and happy, conveying a sense of togetherness, but nowadays the handshakes have become a mere dash. Earlier when they wanted to appreciate you, they used to give a firm handshake, but now they give handshakes but not with their hearts, okay? They want to distract you. So their handshakes have become, they are not real, they are duplicate, okay? They are duplicate. So duplicity is the next answer, okay? Duplicity, okay? And then he warns his son that people are not trustworthy and have become so selfish that they are concerned only about their dash benefits, their own personal benefits, okay? அவனுக்கு என்ன லாபம் இருக்குன்னு தான் பார்க்குறான். அவங்ககிட்ட சிரிக்கிறானா, சரி நம்மக்கிட்ட இருந்து ஏதோ ஒரு காரியம் நடக்க வேண்டியிருக்கு, அதுக்காகத்தான் நம்மக்கிட்ட சிரிக்கிறான். ஸோ modern people have become so cheap, okay? So they are concerned only about their own personal benefits and they are not genuine, okay? So personal is the next answer. People utter words of welcome and exchange pleasantries, okay? Pleasantries na enaduna nalam visarikirathu, okay? Pleasantries, but those words come only from the tip of their tongue and not from the depth of their hearts. இந்த காலத்தில் நல்லா விசாரிக்கிறாங்க, அது வெறும் நாக்கில் இருந்து தான் வருது, மனசுல இருந்து வரல. மனசுக்குள்ளே இவன் நாசமாக போகணுன்னு தான் நினைக்கிறாங்க. பட் ஆனால் பார்த்தா நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா, வீட்டில் எப்படி இருக்காங்க, ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம் அப்படின்னு என்ன பண்ணுறது சொல்கிறது, ஆனால் மனசுக்குள்ள இருந்து வரல. ஸோ பீப்புள் எக்ஸ்சேஞ்ச் ப்ளசன்ட்ரீஸ்னால் என்னது? நலம் விசாரித்தல். சரியா? nalam visarithal da enadhu pleasantries, but they do not, the pleasantries come only from their tip of the tongue and not from their heart. Okay. And humans have learned the art of changing their dash expressions according to the situations merely to ensure social acceptance. Okay. What do the chameleons do? Chameleons பச்சோந்தி என்ன பண்ணும், இடத்துக்கு தகுந்த மாதிரி கலரை மாற்றிக்கிடும். அப்படின்னா camouflage, you call it as camouflage. Okay. So it changes its color according to the situation and according to the place. And the humans are also doing the same. They change their facial expression according to the situation and according to the people they are speaking to. Okay. So people have learned the art of changing their facial expressions. Okay. So they have learned the art of changing their facial expressions. Okay. They wear dash and exhibit multiple faces. They wear masks. Okay. Mask na corona ku podra mask illa, இது என்ன மாஸ்க்கு, நல்ல பெரிய கொலைகாரனாக இருந்தாலும் ஒரு பெரிய ஒரு கிரிமினலாக இருந்தாலும் வெளியில் ரொம்ப நல்ல மாதிரி முகத்தை வச்சுக்கிறது. ஸோ that is called as wearing a mask. Okay. They do not wear one mask. They have different kinds and varieties of masks. Okay. So they change their masks according to the situation, according to the people they speak to, and according to the situation they are in. Okay. So people have learned to wear masks. Okay. The narrator admits that he has also changed into a hypocrite. However, now what the narrator says, நானும் இவங்களை பார்த்து இவங்கள மாதிரியே ஆயிட்டம்பா அப்படின்னு சொல்றாரு. Okay. And however he tells his son that though he dash his expression, இவரோட எக்ஸ்பிரஷன்ஸ் இப்போ எப்படியோ மாறிடுச்சு, ஃபேக்காக மாறிடுச்சு. ஓகே. ஸோ தோ he fakes his expression, he wants to become a dash again. He wants to become a child again. Okay. அவர் ஒரு காலத்தில் when he was a child he was very good, but now by seeing all these people he has also become a hypocrite. அவரும் ஒரு திருடனா மாறிட்டாரு. ஓகே. இவரும் ஒரு மோசமான ஆளாக மாறிட்டாரு. பட் he wants to become a child again. Okay. And he wants to dash all unreal things. இந்த மாதிரி டூப்ளிகேட்டான விஷயத்தெல்லாம் அவர் என்ன பண்ணுறாரு, மறக்கணும்னு நினைக்கிறாரு. He wants to unlearn. Okay. He wants to unlearn all these fake things. Okay. All these fake things and dash how to laugh. And he wants to dash how to laugh as he had done once upon a time. And he wants to relearn how he laughed during the time when he was a child. Okay. And when he laughs before the dash, when he laughs before the mirror. Okay. அவர் கண்ணாடி முன்னாடி போய் சிரிக்கும்போது அவரோட பற்கள் வந்துட்டு பாம்போட விஷப்பற்கள் மாதிரி தெரிஞ்சது. அப்படி தானே. ஸோ when he laughed, smiled before the mirror, he sees no expression. His teeth are bare like that of the fangs of the snake. Okay. Fangs of the snake. What do you mean by fangs? பாம்பின் விஷப்பற்கள். Okay. I am giving you 30 seconds time. So within that time, kindly copy the answers. Okay. Copy the answers in your book. Okay. I hope you had copied. And now what I want you to do is, I want you to read the poem once or twice so that you understand the exact meaning. And then so on page number 22 I had already told you, there are some meanings, and I want you to write each meaning twice and send your homework in the WhatsApp message. Okay. So only one boy has written his homework, which I had given earlier, and no other people have written their homeworks. Kindly write and send all your homeworks in the WhatsApp group. Okay. Okay. So I'll be checking. Okay. I'll be checking. So kindly do your homeworks. Okay. So So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you understood the poem, and if you have any doubts, you can ask the doubt through the comment section that is given in that app, or else through that WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you so much.